I've never eaten cauliflower this delicious. Quick and easy recipe. Let's get right into it. For our recipe, we'll need 1 cauliflower. Cut it into pieces. My grandma taught me this recipe, and everyone at home loves it because it's so quick and delicious. Add the cauliflower to a pot and pour in hot water until it's fully covered. Add half a tablespoon of salt and stir. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Drain the water from the cauliflower and set it aside for now. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Add 3 minced garlic cloves. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Stir well. Now add the cauliflower we set aside earlier. Mix everything and let it brown for 5 minutes. While the cauliflower is cooking, we'll need 3 eggs. Whisk them together. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix well. Pour the eggs over the cauliflower and stir for about 5 minutes. Here's the secret. You can't stop stirring so the egg mixes well and coats all the cauliflower. Trust me, it's going to be delicious. Have you ever had cauliflower like this? It's so good. This cauliflower is incredible, so flavorful and satisfying. I can't believe something this easy tastes so good. Thanks for joining me today. See you in our next recipe. Enjoy.